Having our own garden space and having a stylish balcony is something everyone craves for in urban cities. The idea of setting a home garden has always fantasized me, and that is the reason that I landed setting up this beautiful garden for myself. So welcome to Mani and Vibha Vlogs, and today's video is about setting up your own garden space and stylish balcony. So for this, all you have to do is choose an area where you feel comfortable to set up your garden. Clean it properly and chalk it out so that no ant or bugs are going to hinder the growth of the plant. After chalking out and cleaning the entire area, I have started keeping all the plants which require direct sunlight in front line. So always remember that home garden has two aspects. One is planting, soil and seeding, and another aspect is potting and decor. So here for garden decor I am using these ceramic jars which are heavier on the weight, but they look amazingly well and adds beauty to my home garden. After placing ceramic jars, the other decor items which I am using is these pebbles. Now the idea of using these pebbles and placing these pebbles on the surface of the marble is to place Lord Buddha, which according to me gives a very soothing and calming effect during morning and evening times. After placing Lord Buddha in my home garden, I am placing these crystals which are my personal favorite. I will be leaving the link in the description box. They are very easily available on Amazon and Flipkart. And these crystals give such an amazing look to the entire garden. Also, it specifies the entire home garden beautifully. After completing the crystal decoration, I have this Dieffenbachia plant, which is an air purifying plant and adds so much of beauty to my indoor garden and my living room. To add on to more decor, I am adding this diffuser which looks amazingly well in evening times, and the ceramic pot with artificial jade plant. You can also use these hanging lamps and cage, which is like my personal favorite for garden decor. And in evening, this is how my living room looks like, and this garden adds so much of beauty to the entire living room. So I hope you like the entire video. If you like the video, do like, share, subscribe, and do not forget to leave in your feedback in the comment section. And do not forget to subscribe our channel. It really means a lot to us. This is Vibha signing off from Mani and Vibha Vlogs. Bye.